Good morning, student. Class 12, exercise 5.1 is continue. Question number 29. Find the value of k so that the function is continuous at the indicated point. Here, given function f(x) equal to kx plus 1 when x is less than equal to 5, and it is 3x minus 5 when x is greater than 5. We have to find the value of k. Now see the solution. We will find the left hand limit and right hand limit both. So left hand limit is limit x tends to 5 minus h tends to 0, and fx, it is limit x tends to 5 minus h tends to 0, and the function is kx plus 1. Then limit h tends to 0, k 5 minus h plus 1. Then it is 5k, h is 0, so it is 5k plus 1. Now we will find right hand limit. Right hand limit is limit x tends to 5 plus h tends to 0, and the function is 3x minus 5. It is limit h tends to 0, it is 3, 5 plus h minus 5. Then h is 0, 3 5 is 15, 15 minus 5, so it is 10. Since function is continuous, therefore left hand limit equal to right hand limit, and left hand limit is 5k plus 1, right hand limit is 10. Then 5k equal to 9 and k equal to 9 upon 5. Value of k is 9 upon 5. Student, now next is question number 30. Question is, find the value of a and b such that the function defined by fx equal to 5 when x is less than equal to 2, and it is ax plus b when x is less than 10 and greater than 2, and it is 21 when x is greater than equal to 10. Is continuous. This function is continuous. Student, there are 2 points of continuity at x equal to 2 and x equal to 10. So let us find the continuity of the function at x equal to 2, then x is equal to 10. So first of all, we will find the continuity at x equal to 2. Let us find left hand limit. So left hand limit is limit x tends to 2 minus h tends to 0. A function is 5, so it is directly 5. Now right hand limit is limit x tends to 2 plus h tends to 0, and the function is ax plus b. Then it is limit h tends to 0 a into 2 plus h plus b. Student, since h equal to 0, so it is 2a plus b. Since function is continuous at x equal to 2, therefore left element equal to right element equal to value of function f2. Now left element is 5 and it is 2a plus b, so there is one of the equation 2a plus b equal to 5. It's equation 1. Now we will find continuity at x equal to 10. When x equal to 10, then here function is ax plus b. Then it is 10 minus h, limit h tends to 0, a into 10 minus h plus b. Now it is 10a, h is 0 plus b. Then right element, it is limit h tends to 10 plus h tends to 0, or it is 21. So it is 21. Again, function is continuous. Since function is continuous at x equal to 10, therefore left limit equal to right limit equal to value of function f10. f10 is also 21 and f2 is also 5. So it is 10a plus b equal to 21. It's the equation 2. Now we will solve equation for a and b. It is 10a plus b is 21 and 2a plus b is 5. On subtracting, is cancel. 8a equal to 16, then a equal to 2. Putting the value of a in second equation, a equal to 2 in equation 1. We can put the value of a and b in any of the equation. Here I am putting in equation 1. So it is 2 into 5, 2 into 2 plus b equal to 5. Then 4 plus b equal to 5 and b equal to 5 minus 4, then b equal to 1. So a equal to 2 and b equal to 1. This function is continuous from 2 to 10. Student, now next is question 31. So that the function defined by fx is equal to cos x square is a continuous function. Continuous function. This we have to prove. Student, we will see this function is composite function. Student, this function is a composite function. Here fx is the composite function. Composite is the composition of two functions. Let one of the function is gx, which is cos x, and the other function is hx, it is x square, and fx is the composition of g of hx, because it is cos of x square, cos of x square. So it is composition of two function, cos x and x square function. Student, as you know that cosine function and square function both are continuous everywhere. Since cosine function, cos x and x square are continuous everywhere. Everywhere means on R. It is continuous on whole of the real numbers. And the composition of two continuous function also will be the continuous function. Since composition of two continuous function is continuous. Therefore, cos x square is also continuous everywhere. Cos x square is also continuous everywhere. This way we can say that the function cos x square is continuous function.